Okay, another great exercise for your rumba can be your forward walk turning in a combination with a back basic. This is a great practice drill where you can train your basics and also at the same time practice changes of direction. Alright, so we're going to start first with my back to you, and we're going to go with a rock step actually with the right foot backwards. So position your weight on the left, pick up your arms, and we're going to learn the footwork. Right foot is going to go back, you're going to replace to the left, forward, and you're going to go from here forward with the right. You're going to go forward with the left, forward with the right. This is your forward walk turn, and then you're going to finish with one more step going backwards, and you're going to repeat from the beginning. Back, replace with the right, back, replace, forward, another forward walk, and now you're going to go forward walk with the left, forward walk turning, and then you're going to finish with the right foot, with the left foot, excuse me, backwards. Right foot goes back on 2, replace the weight. 3, forward, 4, 1, forward walk, 2, forward walk turning, 3, and back, 4 with the left, 1, back replace, 2, and 3, and 4, 1, forward walk, 2, forward walk turning, 3, and 4, 1. Okay, let's take a look, that same thing from a side angle view. So I'm going to start with my right shoulder to you. I'm going to position myself again on the left standing leg, and we're going to start with the back rock on count 2 with the right foot. Ready, set, go. 2, and replace. 3, and forward. 4, 1, forward walk. 2, forward walk turn. 3, back. 4, 1, back rock. 2, and 3, and 4, 1, and 2, forward walk turn, 3, and let's speed up, 4, 1, use your arms in a position, 2, and 3, and 4, 1, forward, 2, forward walk turn, 3, and 4, 1, let's speed up, 2, and 3, and 4, 1, forward walk, 2, forward walk turn, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1. Okay, relax there, very good. So the next thing I would like to mention is when you do a forward walk turn, there are a couple of rules that we're trying to follow. Number 1 is when you're changing tracks on the count 3, when you have to do the 3 and when it's exactly your forward walk turn in our case. Make sure that your right foot goes one track over, so when you turn around, your feet have enough space to continue stepping back. If you follow the forward walk pattern, meaning 2 parallel tracks of your feet, and you step on count 3, and you're going to find your left foot that it has no place to go, and you're going to have to kind of like swing it around, which is going to slow you down, throw you off balance, and make it look a little bit sloppy. So this is number 1. Step across with your right foot on count 3 when you have to do the forward walk turn. Number 2, try to use your upper lower body opposition. So as you go forward on count 2, as I collect my feet, I already start driving my left side to the direction where I'm going to be turning, which is over my left shoulder, and then I unwind my feet after that. So if I do the same thing from the beginning, we're going to be using stepping over the tracks, crossing over, and using upper lower body opposition. Let's pick up the frame, go back, replace, and back, replace, forward, 4, 1, forward, 2, now you're going to step across, upper body already goes, 3 in, 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1. Let's do it one more time. 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1, and go back. 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1. All right, so let's talk about a little bit some of the common mistakes that people do when they do forward walks or forward walk turning, even backwards walk. One thing is pointing your feet just to create the aesthetical look of better line or just to create a better picture, which sounds good, and there is a point that you go through for a split second, but most of the time I always recommend use the 5 toes or the ball of the foot, because you have more control of your weight and you stay more connected with the inner thighs and both your legs together. So when you go backwards, you want to use that front ball of the foot to finish that hip. When you rotate the hip, that bends your front knee. And now even when I bring the foot in, I have pressure with my right ball of the foot when I go back to go replace. Even here, I don't even go, especially if you're a follower and you don't have the partner. Your body weight is not gonna go so extreme backwards, but you're gonna be staying ball of the foot on your left. You're gonna replace forward, and notice how even here I'm thinking of that pendulum action when I send my weight forward, but I still have quite a lot of weight and pressure, and I don't release it up until I have to go for the next step. So quite a lot actually. I'm gonna find myself partial weight. Is it 80-20? Is it 60-40? Is it 90-10? It all depends on the speed of the music. So that was the exercise, forward walk turning in combination to the back basic.